guys, what is up and welcome back. Sydney and I are heading to the water park for a fun day of playing in the water and hopefully keeping cool. We very quickly stopped at Dunkin' because why not have donuts before you're in your bathing suit all day? And we packed a lunch, packed all kinds of drinks, and so yeah, we shall see. It has been, gosh, I think I was like, well, I brought her when she was a toddler one time, but she could only do the toddler section, so we didn't really get to explore the park. We'll see. All I care about is just having fun and staying cool because it's a nice, you know, hot and muggy day here. So thought I would take you guys along. Aquaboggan.
Oh, it doesn't have a lid. Oh, it does.
It's just opening right now.
Oh, wait. Oh, that big slide. I think I can go on that.
At some point, they're like, sure, it was an accident.
Oh, they have great cake.
Honestly, I love this thing so much. It keeps everything so incredibly organized and easy to grab. And easy to clean. I love it. What a wonderful day that was. Okay, what an amazing day. Sydney ended up having an impromptu play date with her friend. So for several hours, so that was fun. But yeah, I don't really love the sunscreen that I picked up recently because it seems to not be waterproof at all, which I guess is my own fault. But despite putting on sunscreen 25 times, I am toasty in specific areas. Nonetheless, we had an absolute blast and stayed until park closed. Sydney, did you have a blast? Yeah, so much fun. You hungry though? All right, she's gonna have a little snack. We're gonna head home and see. We're probably gonna have just a movie night. We usually do movie nights on Fridays.
We can have a movie night right here.
Yeah.
Go home and get stuff and right here.
We're at the place where they do the drive-in movie thing as well, but no, we're not gonna stay for the drive-in movie. We're gonna head home and have a little movie night. Sydney got Cinderella 3 the other day from the library. So Sydney's water bottle kept her stuff cold all day long. I believe there was still ice in it as of not long ago and it was bent. It was about 90 degrees all day and that was outside. And that's the Simply Modern one. So we did pretty well with keeping our food and beverage cold. I don't think I've shared over on YouTube yet, but Sydney got a swing set. I got it on Amazon Prime Day and it's just the most perfect little swing set for her. I kind of wish I had gotten it a couple years ago, but I honestly didn't know if we were allowed to have anything back here because of our HOA. But I found this and I thought, hey, this is perfect. Hopefully no one says anything. It's green, it mostly blends in. It's out of the way, so if they need to mow our dirt patch, they can. And it's not permanent because it's not like cemented in or anything. So it's been working out wonderfully. And our neighbors and Sydney's friends have been playing on this non-stop ever since we got it. So it's been a wonderful little thing that we've gotten here. And this is what we're having for dinner on Friday at 7 o'clock when I do not feel like cooking. So a little leftover salad, basically the same thing I had for lunch, but I made pizza. this is the movie Sydney chose from the library the other day, Cinderella 3. I don't know that I have ever seen this one myself, so interested in watching. We had so much fun at Aquaboggan. Sydney had, this is a couple of days later. She has had camp until noon every day, or until 1 almost every day. So I just picked her up from another day at camp. Unfortunately, it's been the past 3 weeks of her summer camps have mostly just been cold and rainy days. We've just had a band of that type of weather. So that is the weather again today, like 64 and just drizzly, rainy. Anyway, I wanted to update you. So I showed on Instagram stories that I had gotten one of the Bogg bags. Ridiculous, I know, but I have been wanting them, or been wanting one or a similar one for a while now, because we're at the beach constantly, and I don't know, I just wanted it for convenience. So I thought I would give you like a little quick review / update that only a few people asked for on Instagram. It's big and bulky, and it's a little bit heavy. Those are the two cons, and the price, obviously. Right off the bat, it is, yeah, it's bulky, it can be heavy, and it's expensive. I'm sure you can find a dupe, and it would be same, just as good. But what I really like about it is the fact that since it's so structured, you can organize this so well without buying all of the things that you see online and in those like viral TikTok videos. You probably don't need all of those. But what I like about it is because it's an actual like rectangle, don't mind right now, it's not organized. I've just thrown a bunch of stuff in, random stuff in here. But everything kind of has a place. And so I'm not digging around in my old bag was that straw, like a straw bag, and so that was really hard to constantly find things in there. It was always just a mess. This obviously has a couple of pockets. I don't know why I'm randomly doing, I do, it's because I used this in Aquaboggan when we went to Aquaboggan, and so I thought I would just give you a little update. Yeah, and it's easily wipeable. It washes off wonderfully. It's waterproof. That's mainly the reason why I wanted it, is because it's big. I got the large / XL size. It's big, it's waterproof, and really convenient. So I absolutely love it. Do I think you can probably grab a dupe for the same, like, sure, totally. I don't think you absolutely need like this brand one. But size wise, I love it. The handles, you just do like the little cross, and they can go up or down, which I really like because they are kind of stiff and up there otherwise. So I like the fact that you can fold them down. Anyway, I thought I would give a review. I have been using it almost every single day. Sydney brought it to summer camp for an entire week as well. I've been using it almost every single day since I got it. So it's definitely gonna last forever for me.
No, but she didn't do it today.
Well, I mean, I've been home. And you didn't need it for summer camp. Anyway, so there's that. We had an awesome time at Aquaboggan, and we've been busy ever since. And today, since it's another kind of blah day as far as the weather goes, I was thinking about baking something, making some sort of bread, or I don't know, I'm just in the mood to see what I can make. I'm gonna make a fresh pizza tomorrow, so I'll make homemade pizza dough tomorrow. Yeah, what do you want to do?
And once my mom made brownies, and my friend said they're so yummy, and I agree with her. She said she loves the fudge in them, and I do too. I'm the same with her.
I made homemade brownies for the first time ever from scratch, and I did film it. So that will be, I think it's gonna be like a YouTube short or an Instagram reel, but I did film it for like a short form video. I just need to edit that. But yeah, I made homemade brownies and brought some to the water park. So I've decided since the weather is blah, I'm gonna just make today like I'm just gonna make a bunch of food. So I have pancake mix here. This is just the Kodiak protein pancake mix. We have a bunch of it from, I think I got it at like Costco. So I'm gonna do 1 cup of that mix to 1 cup of water and make it a little bit thinner than I think what it calls for. And I'm gonna make little silver dollar pancakes that I can keep in the freezer for an easy grab and go breakfast for Sydney. And we're just gonna loosely measure because they're pancakes. So now I have a giant plate of silver dollar pancakes. I'm gonna let these cool a little bit. I'm gonna put them in a freezer Ziploc bag and we will have an easy grab and go breakfast for several mornings. So I think I've decided, I found this recipe for soft pretzels over on Pinterest. I've never made pretzels before. I don't know. Sydney's gonna help me with it. It seems pretty straightforward. Hopefully they turn out. So you ready? Okay. We need brown sugar, water, and yeast to start. Oh no.
Oh, I was like this when it fell. I was like this. I don't want it to fall on me. That sounds like a silly word. It shouldn't be a word. Yeast.
Yeast.
Yeast is a word?
Now pour all of this slowly into here, please.
What can I find?
So we need 1 tablespoon, 1 TBSP.
So 1 TBSP.
Now scoop that into here. Get 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. All right, I think it's time to go ahead and put our ingredients in that bowl. We have our salt. Okay. All right, go ahead and pour the salt in there. I'll do the butter because this is still a little bit warm. Okay. Salt, melted butter.
Hey, the melted butter kind of looks like egg.
It does, yeah. And then we're gonna slowly dump in our flour.
Can I do it?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. Hey, we did all this for nothing. We should have bought this stuff. We did all this for nothing. We should have bought this stuff.
We did all of this for nothing. We should have just bought dough. Yeah,
yes.
But isn't it really cool that we can make it?
No.
It's not? That we can make our own? I think that's really, really...
But it wastes time.
Okay, they don't look that great. We're gonna give them a try. I just made some honey mustard with just yellow mustard and honey mixed together. All right, Sid. Come on over.
Are they hot?
Nope, they're okay. I'll have you dip this in the honey mustard and try a bite.
I'm playing. On me?
Just a little dip.
Is there egg in here?
Nope.
Oh, yummy.
Did we do a good job? Do they taste like pretzels?
I like them plain.
Oh, okay. I feel like I could have cooked some of them a little longer.
I cannot bring them in a bowl.
That one was good.